Good morning, guys. Welcome from the top of Mount Honeck. Today we are hiking around this mountain. It's one of the highest mountains here in the regions. So that means that we will have a lot of elevation today. It's not a long hike, but I think due to the lot of elevation that we have, that it will take a few hours at least to do this hike. But it looks very promising on the internet, so let's find out. Let's start hiking. Didn't expect to see that. Snow in May. Wow, this is so cool. A little mountain goat. Two little mountain goats. I'm obviously not the only one who loves the mountains. Yo, where are you going? Peeing? Of course. Wow, look at this. Mind blowing, really. I think this is absolutely the most epic hike we've ever done. This is amazing. There is where we're going to stop for a break. I think a well-deserved break because that was pretty intense. Is it descent when you're going down? Did I say that correct? It was about, I think, 300 meters. That means that we also have to get back up those 300 meters. But we're not going to think about that yet. First, we're going to relax here in the valley. Look how beautiful. This hike is so cool. And then we are starting to think about the way back up later. But this is such a good hike. Although it's hard, it's amazing. Ravi's completely in his element. I'm as well. So this is definitely going to be the best hike of this vacation. Wow, not much more to say, huh? Five hours from home, how can it be? This is what I have in mind from Austria, but not from a distance of 5 hours from home and not from France, but it's so cool. Or how the French say it, très magnifique. There, there's cliffs. That's what you see a lot here. Like over there, people just put up their tents and just stay here for the night. I know in some areas it's allowed. It's called bivak. Then you're allowed to set up your tent when it gets dark and you have to be away before sunrise is again. But we've seen a lot on the way. So I'm almost feeling sorry that I haven't got my tent with me. It's not a bad place for a terrace. The hut here opens in around 30 minutes, so definitely going to wait for that. So we recently found these on a dog's fair, and as you can see, Ravi really likes them. I think this is a really good snack for on the go, because it might be good to have a little bit more calories because it's low in calories, but it offers some liquid to the dog. So when your dog's not drinking very good on the trail or is struggling a bit with getting enough moisture in, then this might be a good thing for you as well. I don't know if you can get them everywhere in the world, but if you're from the Netherlands or anywhere else in Europe, you might want to give it a try. So unfortunately the restaurant did not open, so we gave the dogs a little snack, took a little break ourselves, and now we're going to climb all the way back up. I'm not sure if I'm right or that I'm getting crazy, but for my American subscribers, this thing over here, am I crazy or does that remind me to the logo of the Appalachian Trail? We came from all the way down there, so it goes up really steep, but then you're rewarded with views like this as well. Oh man, this is steep. I don't know if you can see them, but where are the two hikers going? Over there and all the way up there. That's where we have to go as well. But in between we just take a little break every now and then to watch this, which is totally cool, I think. Well, that was one heck of a climb, but we're up. And although it was very steep, it was very cool. And there's the summit of the Honeck again. 4 kilometers, 4 hours of hiking. So that means 1 kilometer per hour. But who cares? We enjoyed it. So we are back at the summit of Mount Honeck, so where we started our hike this morning. Then we went that way and we came back from that way. So yeah, we thought that yesterday evening was a great hike, but I think definitely today overruled that one. I hope you liked it as well. I think that was one of the most spectacular hikes that Ravi and I have ever done. And we were glad that we were able to take you along, that it was a bit more sunny today. And then I would like to say, as always, thank you for taking your time to watch this video and enjoy the outdoors. We'll catch you on the next trail. Goodbye.